Hello everyone.耶，这谁在？他自己在点吗？面包牛逼丸。So we try to write back the original angel list. Now we can see there are 64 entries returned, but now this doesn't help to fix the partial sector access issue. So at this time, we can try to clear the angel list, and then we check the V for 0 again. Because the drive has partial sector access issue, so we need to work with the angel list and also the translator to fix the partial sector access issue. If this way doesn't work, then we can try to use the partial sector access auto repair function available within the DFL Seagate HD repair software. Now we need to wait a little bit until the translator regeneration based on the new entries within the engine list. Okay, so let's wait. cases when there are many entries users find in the bench list, we can see these entries may be not original in the entry list. They may be added from the G list. So at this time, we can try to clear the entry list and then regenerate the translator to fix the partial secret access issue. So now we are doing this one. Okay, now let's check the entries. Now let's try to access the data arrow and see if the ending part is accessible or not. The same length but different LBA, so this is very near to the end part of the LBA. So let's see if it's accessible. So this part not accessible. Let's see this part. Now this part is accessible. Let's check more. For example, 1.8. So even 1.8 is accessible. That is 92% is accessible. But there are indeed some bad sectors in the end of this pension drive. So we can check more. For example, 189 to see. So this means there are only some bad sectors in the end. And so this is even bigger LBA. We have used and see if it's possible to access. That means over 90% of the data arrow is accessible. So it's real bad sectors. And V40, and let's see. If it's possible to run the auto partial sector access repair. So LM, and we can use this one to say if the bad location or the wrong bad sectors are to be found or not. Usually at this time, users can try to image the drive because most of the data can be recovered, and sometimes the ending part of the data arrow is empty. That means all the hex data are 0, 0. So at this time, we can stop running this auto repair and go to the DF or DDP data recovery software for imaging the pension drive. Well, so let's try to wait a little bit and see if it's possible to access the data arrow fully. That means 100% data recovery. But if the ending part have the real bad sectors, it is not possible for 100% data access. So let's say, so it is important for users to check the log window to see what is happening with the pension drive and what operations are being done here. This is auto partial sector access repair. Just to make sure if we can recover the data 100%. Because we can now recover over 90%. Thank you for watching the video.